Hi, I'm Zach Klein and I'm the Columbus City Attorney. Since becoming the Columbus City Attorney 2 years ago, we've had an intensive focus on reforming the criminal justice system. We're doing it for 3 reasons. The first is social justice. The second is practices that actually make our community safer. And the third is using the criminal justice system as an economic development tool, a way to lift people and their families out of poverty, out of the circumstances they're in, so they can be the moms and dads they want to be. All of our practices revolve around those 3 things. And we've been very busy doing our part within our control as prosecutors to reform the criminal justice system. For example, I've been partnering with the Franklin County Prosecutor's Office in what is called Senate Bill 3. It's a bipartisan piece of legislation that moves low-level felony drug possession down to a misdemeanor. It helps people focus on rehabilitation and punishes traffickers. So we're able to split the difference, understanding that people do need help, but there's those that prey on them to deserve to be punished. Next, because of the hemp versus marijuana distinction under the Ohio Revised Code, I've made the policy call in conjunction with other stakeholders that we're no longer prosecuting marijuana in the city of Columbus. Third, in the issue of bail reform, we have made the decision that we are no longer, absent unique circumstances, going to be asking for cash bail, money bail, for nonviolent misdemeanors. The fourth is really the thing that I'm most proud of, and that's First in the Nation diversion program that identifies and treats the root causes of crime and builds an individual, specific, tailored plan to each individual defendant to treat that. We want to lift people up. There are still bad people that deserve to go to jail for a very long time, and we will advocate for those criminal sentences. But there's a whole vast majority of people that just need help because they're battling addiction. They need economic opportunity. They have a mental health issue that needs to be addressed. The criminal justice system doesn't always have to be geared towards punishment. There's a time and a place for that, but it can also be geared towards rehabilitation and giving people the hope and opportunity that they deserve. That is true criminal justice.